So very simple questions ಇದೆ. Question number 120. ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ first two terms of an infinite GP are together equal to 5. Okay. So sum of first two term is 5. Means first term is A, second term is AR. The sum of two terms means A plus AR is equal to 5. Okay. And every term of GP of an infinite GP is 3 times the sum of all the terms. What is the remaining terms ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? So remaining terms ಗಳ sum. Okay. So what is the data? First two terms sum is 5. It's called as equations 1. ಇದೇನು ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ. Next every term is 3 times the sum of all the terms ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ first term is taken as A is equal to 3 times remaining all terms ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತಿದೆ? So A R, right? So next AR square, next AR cube up to plus infinity. So okay na? So A is equal to 3 into first term is here. First term, this is the forms and GP. First term is AR and common ratio is R, right? The first term andre means AR divided by 1 minus R. Common ratio is what here? RA. Correct? So andre sum of infinite terms of GP is A divided by 1 minus R. So what is A here? What is A? AR. Common ratio AR square divided by AR. So andre R is equal to RA. Okay na? Yes. So A gets cancelled because both the terms are in numerator. So take the cross multiplications. 1 minus R is equal to 3 times R. So 1 is equal to minus R, shift it to right hand side, it becomes 3R plus R. So 1 by 4 is equal to how much? R. Okay, that means what? R is what? Common ratio. So R is equal to 1 by 4. The common ratio of this GP is what? 1 by 4. So now check. So common ratio is wrong or right. Suppose common ratio in substitute ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So A plus A divided by 4 is equal to 5. Correct? So ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 5A by 4 is equal to what? 5. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 cancel ಆದ್ರೆ so first term is 4. First term is 4. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ? Sum of two terms. Sum of first two terms. Already questions is over. ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ just ಈ sum of two terms of GP is 5 ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? A is equal to 4, R is equal to 1 by 4. ಅಂದ್ರೆ so 4 plus 4 into what? 1 by 4. So ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 gets cancelled. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Yes. Sum of first two terms of an infinite GP is 5 and common ratio is 1 by 4 and first term is 4. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಇದೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದು. Just so first term is 3 times infinite sum of infinite terms of GP, the remaining terms. So left out A. So AR square, AR cube. So okay. So A into A divided by 1 minus R because it's a sum of an infinite terms of a GP. The formula is A divided by 1 minus R. Okay. So on simplify we get common ratio is 1 by 4. Okay, question number 121. Three positive numbers x, y, z are in already AP. Okay. And also tan inverse x, tan inverse y, tan inverse z. So it is as a tan inverse x, tan inverse y, tan inverse z. So in second PUC, inverse trigonometry chapter ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಲಿತೀರಾ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್, ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತೀರಾ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So tan inverse x, tan inverse y, tan inverse z are in AP. So x, y, z are positive number. Moreover, x, y, z are in arithmetic progressions. And tan inverse x, tan inverse y, tan inverse z are also in AP. Then what is the So relation is old school. So there are four options is there. Which of the following is old school? When x, y, z are in AP. Moreover, tan inverse x, tan inverse y, tan inverse z are also in AP. Okay. So three terms are in AP. So what? Tan inverse x, comma, tan inverse y, next tan inverse z are in AP. Are in AP. Okay. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 2 times tan inverse y ಅಥವಾ tan inverse y, what is the arithmetic mean? Tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus tan inverse z divided by 2, right? This is the definition of arithmetic mean when tan inverse x, tan inverse y, tan inverse z are in AP. Okay. So take the cross multiplications. So 2 tan inverse y is equal to what? Tan inverse x plus tan inverse z. So ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಎರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎರಡು ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. So 2 tan inverse theta. 2 tan inverse theta is defined as tan inverse of 2 theta divided by 1 minus theta square. 2 tan inverse theta is equal to tan inverse of 2 theta divided by 1 minus theta square. And one more formula, tan inverse x, tan inverse y. ಅಥವಾ beta alpha ಏನು ಬೇಕು ತಗೋಬಹುದು. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y. ಈ ಎರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತೀರಾ, ಏನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಎರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಇರಲಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಎಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, 2 tan inverse ಥೀಟಾ ಬದಲು y. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ tan inverse of 2y divided by 1 minus y square ಬರಿಬಹುದಾ? 2 tan inverse theta is tan inverse of 2 theta divided by 1 minus theta square. So in place of theta, y is there. Okay. So tan inverse x plus tan inverse z ಇದೆಯಾ? tan inverse x plus tan inverse y ಬದಲು z ಇದೆ. ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Yes. What is the formula? Tan inverse of x plus y means z divided by what? 1 minus x into z. ನೋಡಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ. ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಬಂದು ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ನಾನ್ ಜೀರೋ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಯಾವುದು ನಾನ್ ಜೀರೋ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಈಗ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನ. ಸೊ 2y ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 1 minus y square is equal to x plus z divided by 1 minus xz. 1 minus xz ಬರೀಬಹುದಾ? So because ಇಲ್ಲಿ since x, y, z are in AP, x, y, z are in what? AP. So what is the arithmetic mean of this? X plus z divided by 2 is equal to what? Y. What is x plus z? X plus z is equal to 2 times y, right? Since x, y, z are in AP, so arithmetic mean of these three number is defined as y is equal to x plus z divided by 2. So x plus z is 2y. So what is the 2y? What is the 2y? 2y means x plus z divided by 1 minus y square is equal to x plus z divided by what? 1 minus xz. So see here, both the sides in numerator, x plus z is there. So x plus z gets cancelled. And take cross multiplications. 1 minus xz is equal to 1 minus y square in both the sides. So 1 having positive sign, so gets cancelled. So minus xz is equal to what? Minus y square. So minus gets cancelled. So y square is equal to xz. So y square is equal to xz. Y is equal to what? Root xz. This is the definition of what? Geometric mean. Suppose x, y, z are in GP, in geometric progressions. What is y? So square root of xz. Suppose y is equal to square root of xz. X, y, z forms what? GP. Okay. So from this data we conclude x, y, z are in GP, right? So already x, y, z are AP. Now I am arrived x, y, z are GP. So some terms are GP as well as HP. So what we conclude about x, y, z? Already I discussed it. So both the terms are equal, then the sequence is said to be GP as well as AP. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ XYZ AP, XYZ GP. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ X is equal to Y is equal to Z. Right? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ so sequence is said to be AP as well as GP ಅಂದ್ರೆ so terms are equal. So all the terms are equal, then the sequence is said to be AP as well as GP. Okay? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.